percent daw ng mga working Filipino ang
Have you ever seen someone treated unfairly just because of their gender?
So gender inequality means giving everyone the same rights, opportunities, and respect, whether they're male, female, or LGBTQ. Task
lang, hindi mo kaya yan.
Ayusin mo yung kilos mo!
Bakla ka kasi, kaya ka ganyan.
Tumigil ka nga sa kayak mo! Kalalaki mong tao, iyak ka ng iyak!
Salot ka? Wala kang mararating sa buhay!
Hindi yan bagay sa'yo.
Kababae mong tao? Hindi mo kayang gawin yan?
This unfair action can affect confidence, mental health, and dreams.
Some are judged by their appearance, limited by stereotypes are denied, opportunities because of their gender. We can promote gender inequality by respecting one another and avoiding discrimination.
Speak up against bullying, support equal opportunities, and treat everyone fairly.
Small actions like using kind words and showing acceptance can create a big difference.
Because equality starts with us.
So, let us build the community where everyone feels respect, value, and equal.
Let us build a community where everyone feels respected, valued, and equal. And the voice of the gender was here from inside and out.
Promoting and advocating gender equality.